Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Nova 13 with check pattern design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1084 by 2412 pixels, 89.1% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with aluminosilicate glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.9, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 60 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera on the front with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K, on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Harmony OS 4.2 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.40 GHz single-core Cortex-A77 plus 2.19 GHz tri-core Cortex-A77 plus 1.84 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Kirin 8000, 7 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G610MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.4 by 75.3 by 6.98 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options, star black, feather white, Loden green, feather purple colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 100-watt super fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, BDS satellite calling and message, Huawei AI. Features like AI best expression, AI copywriting, AI document assistant, AI skincare advisor, AI trip planning, weak signal enhancement mode, infrared remote control support, splash, dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova 13 has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 3,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.